Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Caine in his god form. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's add another circle inside. And color these both in black. Now let's add the teeth. Let's start on top and let's draw a line down in the center. And curve it out from the top and the bottom. And then close it off. Now let's add teeth on either side by drawing another rectangle shape. And 2 more smaller ones on each side, like this. And then let's add a curve across the top. Now for the bottom teeth, let's hop underneath the eyes and draw a curve. Bring it down on each end. Now top to the center and we're going to draw a line down. And add a rectangle shape on each side for the center teeth. Then let's add another one on each side. Now for the top corners, let's draw a small bump out. And then curve it down. And then let's add a curve inside. Now for the gums, let's add a curve down, underneath, on each side. And a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a curve on the top left. And let's curve it around and over underneath. Now for the top part, let's draw 2 lines up. And close it off at the top. And lastly for the hat, let's add a curve inside near the bottom. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start next to the mouth on each side and let's draw a small bump out for the shoulders. Now we're going to hop underneath and let's draw 2 angles down meeting at a point. And then to add the collar, let's draw a point out on each side. Now let's add a small angle out. Then curve it back down and in to the center. Now let's hop inside this middle section and let's draw 2 points underneath the mouth for the bow tie. And then 2 small circles for the buttons. Now top back out and let's draw 2 angled lines for the sides of the body. And a curve across the bottom. And then hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the legs. On each side, let's draw a curve down and out. Then starting from the center, let's do the same thing underneath. And let's angle both of these lines back in. Now let's close off the bottom of each leg. Now let's draw the ends of his coat underneath each leg with a curve down and curve it back up. Now let's move to the bottom and draw the feet. Let's draw a small angle down in the center. Bring it out and back in. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's draw the arms. Let's start at the top next to the shoulders and let's draw 2 angles up. Then let's angle each of these down slightly. And then bring them up again. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a large curve around, leaving it open at the top. And then a curve across. Now for the hands, let's start at the top and let's draw a curve up for the thumbs. And then a longer finger going up. Another one next to it. And then one more going out. And let's curve it back in to close off the hands. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's move back down and let's draw the next set with 2 lines out. Bring them both down and in. And 2 more lines down. Now for the hands, let's add a curve up, leaving it open at the bottom. And then a curve across. Now for these hands, let's draw a bump in the center for the thumbs. And then 3 bumps to close off the hands. And let's add a few curves inside. Now we're going to hop back in and let's draw the third set of arms. Underneath this arm, let's draw 2 curves down and out. And then we're going to continue it on the other side of the arm by angling them both up. And then let's bring each line going out like this. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve, leaving it open again. And another curve at the ends. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve up for the thumbs. Then a longer finger outwards. Another one. And one more underneath. And then a bump in to close off the hands. Now let's add one last set of arms behind. Let's start in between the arms and let's draw 2 angles down and out. Then let's continue both lines on the other side. And then underneath the other arm here, let's draw 2 lines down. Now let's draw the hand again with an open curve. And a bump up to close it off. Now for these hands, let's draw a bump down on the inside for the thumbs. And then 3 bumps across. And again, 3 curves inside. And that's it for Godform Caine. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!